Welcome to Dudier Academy. In this video, I am discussing the previous year question paper of AIIMS Nursing Officer Examination. That is AIIMS Bhubaneswar Nursing Officer 2019 question paper is discussing here. So first question, the contraceptive method that also offers protection against sexually transmitted infection is options: latex condom use, oral contraceptive use, intrauterine device insertion, withdrawal method. The right answer is latex condom use. That is, male latex condom is the best method for protecting against sexually transmitted diseases including HIV/AIDS. So the answer is latex condom use. Second question, carpal tunnel syndrome is caused by compression of options: the median nerve, the radial nerve, the ulnar nerve, the femoral nerve. Carpal tunnel syndrome is caused by the compression of. Right answer is median nerve. So carpal tunnel syndrome, carpal tunnel syndrome there will be numbness and tingling in the hand and nerve, and it is caused by the compression of median nerve. Third question, amoebiasis is caused by options: Entamoeba histolytica, Toxoplasma gondii, Leishmania donovani, Trypanosoma cruzi. The right answer is Entamoeba histolytica. Amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. Next question, DASH is a family therapy approach that focuses on both biological and psychosocial components of a problem. Options: integrative approach, Bowen approach, psychoanalytic approach, structural approach. The family therapy approach that focuses on both the biological and psychosocial components of a problem. The right answer is integrative approach. Integrative approach bridges the biomedical sciences with social and behavioral sciences. So here the answer is integrative approach. Next question, which of the following is not a physical assessment finding in Parkinson's disease? Options: absence of cognitive impairment, mask-like expression, dysarthria, pill rolling tremors of the fingers. Which of the following is not a physical assessment finding in Parkinson's disease? The right answer is absence of cognitive impairment. So symptoms of Parkinson's disease include all these: mask-like expression, dysarthria, and pill rolling tremors of the fingers, and cognitive impairment is also present, that include amnesia, dementia, difficulty in thinking and understanding all. So here the answer is absence of cognitive impairment is not a physical assessment finding in Parkinson's disease. Next question, the neonatal period is defined as options: the first 7 days of life, the first 28 days of life, the first day of life, from 1 month to 1 year of life. Neonatal period is defined as, the right answer is first 28 days of life. Next question, individuals who do not make decision unless they are aware of all the facts pertaining to a certain situation are called options: introvert, open-minded, extrovert, judgmental. The right answer is open-minded. First, introvert means the quiet individual who relates better to the inner world of ideas, thoughts and feelings. That is, these persons, introvert persons, prefers to be a followers and usually let others initiate and direct the interactions. And extrovert persons is an outgoing person who relates more easily to people and things in the environment and likes to take charge of situations and has little difficulty in socializing. And the judgmental type of persons means the persons who display judgmental attitude are often inflexible and run the risk of neglecting the perception of others. They neglect the perception of others and they arrive at an opinion based on their own values without enough regard for what other people feel and think. And this type of open-minded individuals, that is, individuals who display open-minded attitude, means they do not make decision unless they are aware of all the facts pertaining to a certain situation. So here the answer is open-minded. Next question, the pH of arterial plasma in healthy individuals is Options 7.5, 7.6, 7.4, 7.2. The right answer is 7.4. pH of arterial plasma in healthy individuals is 7.4. Next question. A client with C4 spinal cord injury is at greater risk for options neurogenic shock, respiratory compromise, paralytic ileus, stress ulcer. The right answer is respiratory compromise. So, client with C4 spinal cord injury is at greater risk for respiratory compromise because of the impairment of diaphragm, intercostals and abdominal muscles. Then which of the following is not a feature of a healthy mouth? Options dry and rough lips, pink and moist mouth, teeth free of debris, adequate salivation. So here question is which of the following is not a feature of healthy mouth? Right answer is dry and rough lips. Next, in HIV the virus cannot be transmitted by options shaking hands, blood transfusion, sexual intercourse, sharing of needles. In HIV the virus cannot be transmitted by. The right answer is shaking hands. Next question. The major class of immunoglobulin present in human serum is options IgA, IgM, IgE, IgG. The major class of immunoglobulin present in human serum is, the right answer is IgG. IgG is the main immunoglobulin present in blood and it represents 70% to 75% of the total immunoglobulins. Then all of the following are true regarding deontology except it focuses on the consequences of actions, it encompasses natural law, it incorporates dutiful actions of an individual, it is also known as formalism. So all of the following are true except the right answer is it focuses on the consequences of actions. So what is deontology? It is also known as formalism. Deontology is also known as formalism, and it is a theory that focuses on an individual's motives rather than on the consequences of action. That is, it is focusing on the individual motives. It encompasses the natural law and it incorporates the dutiful actions of the individuals. So this term deontology is derived from a classical Greek word. Deon means duty and logos means the study or science of. So non-consequalization is often used as a synonym for deontology, and also this is a natural theory, natural law theory. So all of the following are true regarding deontology except it focuses on consequences of action. That is, it does not follow the consequences of action, or it does not focus on consequences of action. Next question. The gold standard for the treatment of hot flushes is options oxytocin administration, progesterone administration, estrogen administration, serotonin administration. The right answer is estrogen administration. Hot flush means the transient and sudden cessation. Hot flush means transient and sudden sensation of warmth that spreads over the body, and it is an early and acute sign of estrogen deficiency. So estrogen is the gold standard in treatment of hot flushes. Next question. When the posterior bladder wall protrudes downward through the anterior vaginal wall, it is known as options rectocele, pyocele, cystocele, bubonocele. The right answer is cystocele. Cystocele means it is anterior vaginal prolapse. That is, when the posterior bladder wall protrudes downward through the anterior vaginal wall, it is known as cystocele. Rectocele occurs when rectum sags and pushes against or into the posterior vaginal wall. And pyocele is pus-filled cavity, and bubonocele means sac within the inguinal canal. So that is, it is like inguinal hernia. Next question. In Duval's 8 developmental stages of family life cycle, couples come under options stage 1, stage 7, stage 8, stage 5. in Duval's 8 developmental stages of family life cycle? The right answer is stage 1. So what is Duval's developmental stages? That is 8 developmental stages of family. Duval's family developmental stages include, the first one is beginning families or married couple without children. So first stage 1 means married couples without children. So here the question is couples come under. The right answer is stage 1. And stage 2 means childbearing families with oldest child between birth and 30 months. Then stage 3 means families with preschool children. And stage 4 families with school age children. Stage 5 families with adolescent children. And stage 6 launching families. First to last child is leaving home, that is launching families. Then stage 7 is middle age families, and stage 8 is aging families, that is from retirement to death of both spouses. So this is the family developmental stages, and the first one, that is the couples are coming under, that is beginning families or married couples without children are coming under stage 1. Next question. Nursing was defined as the art of utilizing the environment of patients to assist them in their recovery. So this definition was given by options: Florence Nightingale, Virginia Henderson, Linda Richards, Mary Breckinridge. The right answer is Florence Nightingale. So Florence Nightingale gave the definition that nursing is the art of utilizing the environment of patients to assist them in their recovery. Which of the following is not an expected finding in the assessment of a client having increased intracranial pressure? Options: unequal pupils, clear consciousness, irritability, headache. Which of the following is not an expected finding in increased intracranial pressure? Right answer is clear consciousness. So in case of increased intracranial pressure, there will be altered consciousness. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect with regard to bathing a baby or a child? Options: it involves topping and tailing. It is usually undertaken with bath toys. It does not have a calming effect on the babies. It offers an ideal opportunity for activities other than for their hygienic needs. The question is, which of the following is incorrect with regard to bathing a baby or child? The right answer is, it does not have a calming effect on the babies. So bathing a child or bathing a baby means it involves topping and tailing. Topping and tailing is simply washing the baby's face, hands and bottom so that these areas stay clean and fresh. So topping and tailing is part of taking care of babies or bathing the baby or a child. And bathing babies also, it is usually undertaken with bath toys, and it offers an ideal opportunity for activities other than for their hygienic needs. But it does not have a calming effect on the babies is wrong, because bathing the babies can have a calming effect on babies who are distressed by their unfamiliar environment. So the right answer is option C, that is, it does not have a calming effect on the babies. That is a incorrect answer. A food item commonly associated with Bacillus cereus food poisoning is options: honey, green beans, baked potato, fried rice. The right answer is fried rice. Bacillus cereus is a soil bacterium present in rice, and the illness from ingestion of Bacillus cereus contaminated food has given the nickname fried rice syndrome, as ingestion of fried rice was associated with the first recognized outbreak of this illness. So here the answer is fried rice. Next question. The WHO initiative Right to Sight is named as Vision 2015, Vision 2020, Vision 2030 and Vision 2015. So here the right answer is Vision 2020. Right to Sight or Vision 2020 is the global initiative for elimination of avoidable blindness, and it is a joint program of World Health Organization and International Agency for Prevention of Blindness. So this is named as Vision 2020. The next question. Withdrawal symptoms do not usually occur in case of which of the following medications? Options: monoamine oxidase inhibitors, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, tetracyclic antidepressants. Which of withdrawal symptoms do not usually occur in case of which of the following medications? The right answer is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So withdrawal symptoms do not occur with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Then all the following is true about positive end expiratory pressure except: it reduces venous return, it improves alveolar return, it prevents alveolar collapse, it decreases mean airway pressure. Right answer is it decreases mean airway pressure. So positive end expiratory pressure or PEEP increases the intrathoracic pressure and it can decrease the venous return. It is one of the several methods of increasing the mean airway pressure. So PEEP is one of the method of increasing mean airway pressure and improving the oxygen. So it prevents the collapse of alveoli. It prevents the collapse of alveoli. So here all the statements are true about positive and expiratory pressure or PEEP, except that it decreases the mean airway pressure. Actually it is increasing the mean airway pressure. Which of the following is not a normal skin variation of newborns? Options: Wernicke caseosa, bruises, nevus vasculosus, stalk bites. The right answer is bruises. So Wernicke caseosa, nevus vasculosus and stalk bites are normal skin variation of newborns, but bruises is not a normal skin variation of newborn. Next question. A newborn temperature on an average ranges from options: 36.5 to 37 degrees Celsius, 34.5 to 35.5 degrees Celsius, 38.5 to 39.5 degrees Celsius, 36.5 to 37.5 degree Fahrenheit. So the normal temperature of newborn, right answer is 36.5 to 37 degrees Celsius. That is average newborn temperature is 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit it is 97.9 degree Fahrenheit to 99.7 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 97.9 degree Fahrenheit to 99.7 degree Fahrenheit. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and also you can give your comments in the comment box.